Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of launching your own online store but thought you needed expensive design tools or coding skills, think again. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a professional-looking e-commerce website in just minutes, totally for free, using Canva's powerful website builder. By the end, you'll have a beautiful site ready to share with the world and the confidence to customize it however you like. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you don't already have a free account, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a minute, and this platform opens up a whole world of design possibilities. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right-hand corner and click on Create. This is your starting point for any new design project in Canva and where the magic begins for our e-commerce site. When the menu pops up, you'll notice all sorts of design options, presentations, social media posts, logos, you name it. But today we're going to select Website. Now this step is important because picking the website option basically tells Canva to lay out your project with full web pages in mind, not just a single static design. It streamlines everything for you, so your finished product will look great on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're in the website section, there's a search bar at the top. Just type in e-commerce. Canva will instantly show you a bunch of ready-made templates specifically tailored for online stores. This is one of my favorite features because it does most of the heavy lifting. Instead of starting from scratch, you get access to beautiful layouts with product galleries, featured item sections, and even about pages, all designed for e-commerce. Browse through these templates and pick one that matches your brand vibe or the kind of products you want to sell. Don't worry if you're not sure yet, you can always switch things up later. Now comes the fun part, editing and customizing your website. This is where you make the site truly yours, so don't be shy about exploring. Click on any text box or image to change what it says or swap out photos for your own product shots. You can drag elements around, add new sections, or even remove parts you don't need. Think of it like arranging the shelves in your own store. Take a few moments here and remember, there's no rush. The interface is super intuitive, so you won't break anything if you experiment. As you customize, you're literally just minutes away from having a complete e-commerce website. It's amazing how quickly it comes together, especially compared to how websites used to be built just a few years ago. If you want to go the extra mile and really nail your branding, consider changing the colors and fonts to match your logo or business card. Simply click on the color palettes and font menus. Canva gives you tons of options, so you can easily create a look that's uniquely yours. It's those little details that make your site feel professional and pulled together, even if you're just starting out. And that's really it. In just a few simple steps, you've designed an e-commerce website that's ready to go live and impress your customers, all for free and all without touching a single line of code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop me a comment below. I read every one and I'm always happy to help. And of course, if you want to learn more about building your online presence the easy way, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.